You know, having a setup where you feel comfortable working and editing is pretty essential. For my main camera, I'm using the Lumix GH6 paired with a Lumix 12 to 32mm lens. This setup is my go-to for talking headshots, shots of my B-roll and A-roll. It allows me to film in 5.7K 30fps ProRes and Vlog, giving me maximum flexibility in post-production for editing and color grading. When I need a second angle, my iPhone is the way to go. Having multiple angles to work with makes a huge difference when filming. Most of my B-roll and A-roll is recorded in ProRes on an external SSD. For those familiar with ProRes, let's just say it's a high-quality format that requires a lot of storage. A 10-second clip can take up to 3 GB, so having an external SSD is a must. For audio, I've set up a shotgun mic on a boom arm positioned just outside of the frame. It's nothing fancy, just a Boya shotgun mic I had laying around. I also have the Video Micro 2, which is a solid option, but I haven't mounted it since I don't have the right screw adapter. The mic is attached to a tripod head, allowing me to swivel, rotate, and pan to adjust its position as needed. For run-and-gun situations, the Video Micro 2 is a great choice since it can be mounted directly on the camera's hot shoe. However, I'm definitely looking into a wireless option for outdoor shoots to keep my gear lightweight and portable. Since audio is crucial to video quality, optimizing it is always a priority. To light my setup, I use the Jinbei EF60 Mark II with a 50cm softbox, mounted overhead to create soft diffused lighting. The light is secured on an adjustable T-stand with a counterweight bag which can be filled with sandbags or other weights for stability. One downside to this light is that it doesn't have app control and is locked at a 5500 Kelvin color temperature. To add a bit of depth and flair to my talking headshots and B-rolls, I use the Ulan ZVL 120 tube light. It offers a wide range of colors and effects, and I mostly use it as a backlight, adding a nice diffused glow to the background. That is an overview of my simple setup. That was it for me today, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.